Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a VEWEET Dinnerware Set unboxing. I was contacted to collab with this awesome company, and as you can see, my set came packaged very well in this thick styrofoam. And also it has the nice thick cushion sheets in between each piece. Now this is a Bonnie collection 24-piece ivory white porcelain stoneware set. It has the beautiful orange stripe pattern, high quality ceramic. It's scratch resistant, oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe. It comes with a setting of 6. They have the 9 3/4 dinner plate, as well as the 7 1/2 salad plate, with the 8 1/2 soup plate, and the 6 3/4 bowl. This set is very durable and classic, also great for all occasions in daily life. Also, this set can easily stack on each other for space-saving storage. At this time, I would like to thank the Amazon seller for this VEWEET series Bonnie collection. I thank you for reaching out. This is an awesome dinner set. If you are interested in this set, I will have the links down in my description box. Thank you all for watching. And if you are new to the channel, I would love for you to consider subscribing, and also welcome you, and I appreciate you. Please continue to be safe, be blessed, and be a blessing to someone else. Bye-bye.